wave. Okay, mali ako. Right to left. Okay. I will call this the S wave for Sheena wave. I own this wave. Look, ang galingan nyo, okay? So from here, gaganon tayo. Ready, Blooms? Hello? Okay. One, ay, sama kayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, yun na. Perfect! Ay, binalik. Ay, sige, go. Decision. Tama na. Balik. Yes. Okay lang para sa'yo, Steph. Yes, tama